If your blade can't shave, you're stropping wrong. And it's usually not your tool. It's a few small mistakes that are quietly ruining your edge. I've got 4 simple fixes, including why your angle is rounding your edge and why skipping polishing compound can actually give you a better edge. Your strop angle is actually ruining your edge. If the angle is too high, you're rounding the edge instead of refining it. Rounding over the blade is where you roll over the tip, so it loses that sharp cutting point, the apex. If the angle is too low, then you're not making contact and you won't be refining the edge at all. So you need to match the existing bevel perfectly, no guesswork. Then you want to lock your wrist and keep the angle consistent through the whole stroke. Then a light amount of pressure and let the strop do the work. Do a few slow controlled passes rather than fast random ones. The angle is key, but when you actually hone, makes all the difference. Let me know down in the comments, what strop tip did I miss off? Now you want to use a thick, firm piece of veg tan. This will give you a nice stable strop for realigning that edge. Don't use a leather that is too soft, otherwise you could roll over the blade. You also don't want to use a chrome tan. There may be residual chromium salts left in the leather that could rust your blade. Now good quality modern tanneries don't leave residual salts, but unless you know your leather supplier really well, it's good to just use veg tan. It'll work better as well. Now leather has 2 sides. You have the grain side, which is on the outer edge of the skin, and then you have the flesh side, which is on the inner face, closest to the animal. The flesh side is actually better for holding the compound. It has more texture with these fibers, so it grips and keeps that compound there for longer. The grain side is smoother, and the compound sits on top, which means it can break down and actually produce a less consistent result. Using the flesh side will give you a longer lasting, consistent hone. But interestingly, I'm going to show you how to get a better finish by using the grain side with a different method. Most people actually strop at the wrong time. They wait until the blade already feels dull and then expect the strop to fix it. Stropping only works when the blade is already sharp. It rebends the edge to make it super straight, which is actually the reason a blade feels dull, that the edge is not straight. So make sure you start with a sharp blade and then use your strop every few cuts to keep that edge aligned. You want to maintain the blade to be sharp, then you don't really need to go back to the sharpening stone. So I use my strop in between cuts so it doesn't disrupt my crafting. This also means that your blade doesn't get worn down over time. Top up your strop as you go, but make sure it's not overloaded. Think of stropping as maintenance, not repair. If this helps your stropping, then please like and subscribe for a new video every other week. This hack uses raw veg tan leather for the final honing. The leather is dense, flat, and packed with silicates that will create a blade sharp enough to shave hair. So while the flesh is great for holding the compound, we want to use the grain side as it is as the final honing step. You can actually get a higher grit finish by just using the grain side. So you want to use your raw veg tan matching the same angle as you did with your compound strop, and then do around 10 or so controlled passes. And here you'll actually feel it really glide over the surface and it'll be super smooth. And that's the silicates refining that edge. We've made some great progress today, but if you want to level up your skills, check out this next video up on screen.